Hey guys, okay, today we're talking about the pathways of love that are opened at the moment of your conception. So this channel of love gets opened from the cosmos and sends down this frequency of pure cosmic love into your existence. This goes on to feed your body, so your cells, your organs, and all the expressions of your body. Like health, like beauty, like rejuvenation, like sexuality, like fitness, all of it. But it also feeds your self-love and your attitude towards yourself and having a compassionate view of your journey and all that you've lived through. It also goes in to feed all your relationships and all that you create. And ultimately it feeds back in terms of your view of creation, your view of humanity and life itself. So it's this feedback system of pure cosmic love. Now, you might liken it to your circulation system, which uses the heart and then the lungs, and all the blood goes and feeds every part of yourself. So this is the energetic equivalent of your circulation system. So a few days ago, we spoke about trauma and how trauma will knock out energetic pathways. If this gets knocked out, maybe you're receiving 50% of the love that you need to really thrive. Or maybe that first pathway is intact, but the pathway that feeds your body is damaged. So what we're going to do is we're going to repair all of these pathways, keeping in mind that all of these corrections that we'll be doing to upgrade your body have a powerful effect on all of your life. So I hope you'll join us on September 13th for this online workshop where we're going to do some very, very deep repair work and upgrading, bringing in higher light codes, higher frequencies, and higher identities for your body and for your life. All right, guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.